Hello everyone, this is me S and welcome back with the book series. Today we have a beautiful book named The Psychology of Money. On the next 10-20 minutes we're gonna cover the summary, like what the book talks about, what's the idea and what's up with it. Let's get started. So most people think getting rich is about being smart, but maybe it's not. It's about how you behave. One wrong choice can ruin everything, while one simple habit can make you wealthy for the lifetime. Today we are breaking down the psychology of money by Morgan Housel. Let's get started with the lessons. So we have lesson one. In lesson one, we're going to talk about wealth is what you don't see. Uh, Fancy cars and flashy watches don't equal wealth. They often hide debt. Real wealth grows quietly behind the scenes, saving investment or retirement funds. For example, someone earning modestly but saving 20% of the income consistently can end up far richer than someone earning twice as much as he's spending every day. Lesson number two is luck and rise are real. Bill Gates got lucky with timing and opportunity. Many talented people never reach the same heights or never become millionaire or billionaires. Meanwhile, one unexpected event like illness or job loss can wipe out years of hard work. The key: respect luck when it favors you and prepare for the risk you can control. Uh, Lesson 3 is the power of compounding. So, small amounts saved and invested over decades can grow massively. For example, saving just $100 per month at a 7% return for a 40 years grows to over almost $200,000. It's not about big wins, it's timed and consistency that multiply your wealth. So, I don't know, for myself, I don't know if I can save up like $100 per month for the rest of my 40 years. I don't even know if I live for the 40 years or not. It's just me, I don't know. This is what I express like while reading the summaries, what I feel. Humans are emotional, not rational. As is lesson 4. Fear, greed, and envy often drive financial choices. For instance, selling investments during a market crash out of the panic often leads to low income or loss, while a calmer investor benefits later. Understanding your behavior is more valuable than knowing every market trick. Lesson number 5. Save for freedom. So, a friend who saves $500 monthly gains the power to quit a toxic job, take a break, or pursue opportunities. The habit of saving provides option, independence, and a peace of mind. I can get on that. Mm. Lesson number 6. Reasonable beats perfect. A mathematically perfect investment is unless if it makes you anxious or tempts you to sell. For example, putting everything into a volatile crypto might look rational for potential returns, but if you panic during a dip, it's a disaster. Choose strategies you can stick with consistently. Lesson number 7. Control yourself. You can't control the market, but you can control yourself. Spending, savings, and patience, these are in your hands. Focus on what you can control and let the rest unfold naturally. Lesson 8. Rare extreme events during outcomes. A single early investment in a startup like Google can outweigh dozens of small investments. Tail events, rare opportunities or risk often define financial success. Protect yourself from major downsides while positioning for small wins to compound over time. Time is your greatest asset. This is lesson number 9. Patience and consistency compound results far better than trying to get richer quickly. Even a small repeated actions like saving a $10 daily multiply exceptionally over decades. Start early, no matter how small, and let time work in your favor. So, while um, reading all these different summaries and different books and these rules, these lessons, what I think, especially from this aspect, the time beats intelligence, and it says like, saving $10 daily multiply exceptionally. So it really depends. Like for example, if my salary, if the income is more than enough, then $10 saving every day is not a big deal for me. I can do it for the rest of my life. But the thing is, I'm just talking in the broader aspect. If the salary is limited and I barely, meet my means, so $10 is a big amount. When I talk about in a bigger aspect, not like $10 is, yeah. Okay. Lesson 10 is true wealth isn't possessions, it's a freedom. It's a freedom. $100,000 car impresses people, but real wealth is having control over your time and choices. Money's purpose isn't luxury, it's the ability to live life on your way. We're going to talk about uh, the key principles. Let's recap them. We talk about wealth is what you don't see, then we talk about luck and risk are real, then the compounding effect that we have. Then we talk about the human nature and human emotions, and then we talk about save for freedom, and control yourself, not the market, and the freedom of luxury. All right. So most people obsess over getting rich fast, but wealth isn't flashy. It's a habit, patience, and behavior. Start small. Save consistently, avoid debt, respect luck, embrace patience. These habits quietly compound into the real financial freedom. Now we're gonna end it with something like money isn't a trophy; it's a tool. Master your behavior, respect time, and let your money work quietly behind the scenes. Do this, and the wealth will find you naturally. So, so this last sentence at the end, I don't know. This ending sentence goes like, master your behavior, respect time, and let your money work quietly and behind the scenes, and do this, and wealth will find you naturally. So I hope all of you, now wealth will find you, eventually, I guess. I bought this book. I was just going through summaries. I haven't read it completely yet. I started two of my totally different books. Like the one is money psychology, and all of a sudden I like go into the, it's kind of psychology as well. I will make a summary of that book soon as well. So the reason I started this is I am also studying psychiatry and mental health. So I like studying. I recently started studying, but yeah, I'm quite enjoying it. So thank you so much for listening, and I will try to make the voice and the rest of the things and the summary is more better, more useful. What you say? I mean more productive. What I can say, like formatted like good. So the crux of the whole book comes on. You can decide whether you want to read it or not. But I think it's a good book. Some of the points I totally differ from this book. It depends individually as well, but yeah, overall it's a good book. So if you want to read it, surely I'm reading it these days, so you can give it a try. Thank you so much for listening.